So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can hide a particular game from the Steam account. Likewise, if you don't want anybody to see that game that you have been playing on a Steam software, the Steam provides you the feature to hide that game. You can hide the game from the library section of the Steam. So in order to do this process, all you have to do is to just simply open the Steam on the whatever platform that you have been using it. For example, if I open the Steam on my Windows PC, like I opened this now, in order to find the games that have been installed, I have to go to the option of library on the top corner. You can see, just click there. Now here on the left window you can find all the games that you have been playing. Just simply select any of the game that you want to hide. For example, if I select Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and now if I want to hide this game from this library section, all I have to do is to just simply go to the option of settings over there. You can see the small icon right there which says manage. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, now here you have to scroll down till the third option. You can see over the mouse, over the option of manage. When you click over the mouse, you can see the third option when enable of hide this game. Just simply click on this option, and now you'll see a small tag of hidden. Now if you see on the library option, that game has been hidden, and if you want to access all the hidden games, all you have to do is to just for example, if I open any other game, now you can see I cannot access that game again. So now if anybody want to see that you have been playing the games, they will not able to find that particular game. Now if I want to access that game, all you have to do is to just simply on the top window, most top window, you'll see the option of view. Just simply click on this option, and here on the second option you will find the hidden games option. Just simply click on this option, and here all your hidden games, you can see the Counter-Strike Global Offensive game is just right there, so I can play it from here only. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.